Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can replace the pollen filter, the cabin filter, on a BMW iX3. This is a UK car. So right now we're on the passenger side and we need to undo this little tray here. Now it's going to be very awkward to film because it's even awkward to see with your eyes, not alone the camera. But first of all we just need to undo this one here, like that, just a quarter off a turn. It will drop down, and also this one here, quarter off a turn, and it will drop down. This will allow this whole section here to come down. If you just get your hand in here, then it will come out. You have to give it a little bit of a wiggle towards you. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off this lead here because this little light is in the way. So first things first, I'm just going to release the cable from here. It's a little push fit connector, just like so, and then this connector goes into here. I just need to wiggle it until it comes out. Let's just give myself a bit more room. There. And that's out like so. Now we can remove this out of the way. And now we need to get a Torx screw. I've already undone the screws ever so slightly in here to make it easier for the video. But basically we have one screw here and we have the other screw just here. And they're Torx 20. So get yourself a T20 and just undo the two screws. As I say, I've already undone them for the purpose of the video. And this one here. And now we need to release the tab this side and the other side. So to release this, we need to push in at the bottom bit here, like that. So we're pushing in. It helps if you get your finger just above that top little bit when you're pushing it in. Try to do it so you can see on camera, and there you go. Can you see that's released it now? So that's wanting to come down. We now need to do the same the other side. So again, I'm just feeling it with my hands. Now this pipe is in your way a bit, so I'm just going to press in on that tab there and try to release it on top. There we go. And now that comes out here. These are the bits here you have to release, these bits here. And you can see the pollen filter is now coming out. So I'm just going to push this to one side. Be careful of the pipe here, don't kink it. And now take your pollen filter out. So this is the pollen filter here. And when we're putting in the new one, this one doesn't actually need replacing, we're just doing this purely for the video. We need to make sure it goes in this way with this beveled edge towards that corner here. So it's going to go in this way here. And I'm putting it behind the cover, and I've got to locate it back up in the hole. The cover will get in your way. And there we go. It's gone back up in. So push it up home, and then we're going to get the cover, and the cover's going to click back into place. So I'm going to do one side, that's clicked, and the other side, that's clicked, and now I need to do up the two screws. So we've got one here. And one here. If your screwdriver's a bit long, you can remove the mat to give you a bit more room. Right, that's the two screws done up. There's no kink or anything in the pipes, that all looks nice. Now we're going to put the light back on. So we're going to put that in here. Now basically, if you look at this, you can see the metal contacts are facing you as you put it in. There is a little male part there and a little female part here that click together. So, but if the metal contacts are facing you, it's in the right way. Just click it home, like so, and put this part in that little hole just here. Like that. Right, now have a look here. We have this part here that needs to locate into this bit here, and we have another bit sticking out just at the ends here that needs to locate into this part here. So just line those two up to begin with. and then offer it up and get the 2 little thumb screws and just give them a 1/4 of a turn again clockwise. And there you go, you can now see that that is locked back into place and everything is home and nice. It's a lot easier to do when you haven't got the camera, because you can get your head right in there and fully see what's going on. And if you have a torch or flashlight, you're going to find it a lot easier. But yeah, it's not too bad. If this video has helped you out, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.